Hi, this is Eric with Auto Advantage in Escondido, California with a quick walk around video of our 2015 Toyota Tacoma. So let's get started. The truck currently has 140,000 miles. It is the SR5, so it's got Bluetooth, cruise, audio controls, traction control. It is equipped with an aftermarket head unit, Pioneer. Backup camera, some apps like Spotify, Bluetooth, auxiliary, you have your USB and auxiliary hookups here. I did want to point out on the Carfax 21 service history records, and more recently 120,000 miles. The major service was done, including transmission service and tune-up, along with coolant flush. So well maintained, very clean inside and out. It does come with a warranty included. Let's take a walk around on the outside. It's got some nice upgrades, Uniroyal tires, lots of tread left, TRD wheels. Fox suspension, just like aftermarket. Control arms as well. Has the 4-liter V6 with the 5-speed automatic, which, if you do your research, is probably one of the most reliable powertrains that you can find. Pretty common to see these with over 250,000 miles in the original powertrain. A lot go past 300,000. No leaks, no rust. Body's nice and straight, metallic gray paint's in good shape. Does have a locking tonneau cover for the bed, sliding rear window, and a tow package with the trailer hookup. No dents on the roof. Gray cloth, very clean, no rips or tears. Headliner's in good shape. These seats do fold up for extra storage if needed. Rear cup holders. This seat folds flat. Use it like a workbench. This is a shot of the driver's side. Also very straight, good shape. Small little blemish right here, but overall very clean truck inside and out. So you can reach us at 760-280-7648 or visit ibuycleancars.com. We do take trade-ins. Financing is available for all types of credit, and there is a warranty included. Once again, 760-280-7648. So we look forward to hearing from you.